Let's make the most easiest strawberry cheesecake. First, preheat the oven to 320 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, prepare your pan. Add parchment paper to the base, then grease it with melted butter. Next, in the bowl, add cracker crumbs and melted butter. Then mix everything up and add it to the pan. Now we're gonna form the base using spatula and a cup, like a measuring cup, just like that. Then set aside. Now in the mixing bowl, combine cream cheese and whisk until fluffy. Next, we're gonna add flour and whisk that in. Next, we're gonna add sugar, sour cream, and vanilla extract and whisk until everything's combined, but be careful not to overmix. Next, whisk in 1 egg at a time and our filling is ready to go. Carefully pour the filling into the cheesecake base, then bake for about 55 minutes. While cheesecake is baking, let's prepare our strawberry topping. In the skillet, add strawberries, vanilla extract, sugar, and lemon juice. Bring it to a gentle simmer. Next, we're gonna add cold water with cornstarch and add that in, then cook for a few more minutes. And voila, the strawberry topping is ready to go. After the cheesecake is done baking, turn off the oven and open the oven door slightly and let the cheesecake cool off inside the oven for 20 minutes. Next, cool it off completely inside the fridge for a few hours. After, garnish it with strawberry topping and fresh strawberries. Cut a slice and enjoy. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.